Hello everyone. So today we will unbox these three riding gears. The first one is two types of balaclava, two types of riding gloves, and the main part, main product, MT Thunder 3 Pro helmet. So I have ordered it from Race Moto, and let's unbox it. So basically it comes in this corrugated box, and then we have this empty helmet box, right? So you can see over here. Okay, so this one is a L size helmet, and it costed me around 7,200 rupees including shipping. Let's unbox this box. So inside this box, the first part is a spoiler. MT calls it as a DRS, drag reduction system, and the size also mentioned over here, L. So the main part is this MT helmet, right? This is how it looks like. So let's untie this. The first part is these three screws. So this visor is, sorry, this spoiler is, this spoiler will fit like this. You have to remove these three screws and attach it over here. Okay, so let me tell you the features of this helmet. So basically it is a ISI rated, dot certified, and sharp 4 rated. Okay, it comes with this transparent visor, and here you can see one button is here. When you click, when you press this button, you can directly remove this visor, and it is easily removable. Also, you can see over here, this button is used to pull down the visor, sun visor. Okay, for ventilation there are two vents on this helmet. First one is from here, and the second one at the top. Okay, also it comes with double D ring, as you can see over here. This is a double D ring. And the cushioning is very soft. This is about the helmet. Now we will move to the riding gloves. So first one that I have purchased is from Rhinox GT gloves too, and you can see over here the fitting is very good, and the protection section is also really sturdy, and you can feel the sturdiness of this riding gloves. And I have bought this accessory from local shop. All of the balaclavas and the riding gloves are purchased from the local shop only. We'll move to the next riding gloves. It is from Pro Bikers, and this is how it looks like. And the comparison between these two, the Rhinox one costed me around 2000 rupees, and the Pro Biker is of 450 rupees. Okay. The Rhinox one comes with warranty, around 6 months of warranty, and Pro Biker doesn't have any warranty. The next two parts are balaclavas. Okay. This is from Transfer company, and let's unbox this also. This is how it looks. The material is very soft, and logo, and you can wear it in all weathers. Basically, very good material. The second balaclava is of Motofox. This is from Motofox, and this is also good. You can wear it in winter, and see the comparison between these two. So the Cramster balaclava costed me around 350 rupees, and the Motofox costed me around 250 rupees. The 100 rupees difference is there, but this one is, I like this one most. You can wear it in any season, and this is for winter only. So we'll show you the helmet after wearing it.